Hi, this is Rich Ross for CNBC's Trading Nation. A huge day for the markets on Tuesday, an even bigger day for the big banks and fins. I'm going to show you why we go higher and pick one stock for you to buy right now. Let's start with the XLF, the benchmark ETF, and you can see today the gains up 2.6% just today alone, outpacing the 1% roughly gain in the S&P itself. Why do I think we go higher? Let's look at this big trading range, okay? So you've been moving sideways for most of the year. Yes, you're keeping pace with the market, but outside of this big surge that we saw coming out of the election, FIN's been very range bound. Now, of course, we break out of this pattern, and today we get a continuation of that breakout. We test and hold the 50-day, and I think today's outsized move sets the stage for an extension of that advance. So you're buying financials, broadly speaking. Now, let's zero in on one of my favorite picks here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at a very long-term chart of JP Morgan to give you a sense for the strength, the structural strength that we see here. This is just about a 20-year chart, if I'm not mistaken, and look at the size of this base here, double bottom within the context of that big base. And of course, the impulsive move takes the form of one of my favorite continuation patterns. That's the bull flag. I think the stock can get to 120. So you're a buyer in here. This bigger structural base of support provides the launch pad for a short to intermediate term move up to that 120 level. You can buy JP Morgan today in advance of that move. So fins and banks and the markets, they're all on a buy right now. For CNBC, I'm Rich Ross.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.